Hello everyone, this is Pranav VK, the CEO and founder of the Intraday Expert, and today we have with us Shilpa. She's from Finland. She's trading from Finland right now and also working there. So let's get to know about her journey with Elite Trader X and how it's going right now, right? So hi Shilpa, and thank you so much for joining us on this call.
Hi Pranav, thank you.
So maybe could you briefly, introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Yes, hello everyone, I'm Shilpa. Currently working for Nokia in Finland. I have recently moved to Finland in 2022. Before that, I used to live in Bangalore and work for MediaTek. And from 2022, I started moving to Finland and started working with Nokia as a design engineer and continuing here.
Awesome. So you're working there in Finland and you're all alone out there. So how come trading, how did trading come into your picture, into your life?
Yeah, so this moving to Finland was also about exploring myself. So in 2022, although everything was going good, I just wanted to explore myself and stepped out of my comfort zone. So then I decided, okay, let's go somewhere outside India and explore something. So that was also going good. Around 2023, I felt I have time and I wanted to learn something new. At that time, trading was pretty challenging and I got to know let's start into investment and let's make a financial stability. So I thought let's learn trading. That's when I decided to learn about it.
Right. So what specific challenges were you facing in your trading journey, prior to joining the program?
Frankly speaking, I didn't try out everything I wanted. I have heard from many people trading and losing money. That is what I have mostly heard about it. And then I was frequently seeing your posts in LinkedIn or in WhatsApp. Many of those things I used to follow. But still, I was very scared to get into it because of the others' feedback. I really haven't tried about it. I haven't even tried mutual funds for myself. But based on the feedbacks itself, I was very scared to step into it. And then every feedback was like, every money is lost. So because of that, I didn't never tried. But when I was going through your other YouTube videos or based on that itself, I just thought, let's try it with the secured environment, something like that, and then started it. So before that, I have never tried also.
Okay. So what kind of shifted your mindset that, okay, now I have to take that step? And was there any specific thing that actually pushed you to start doing this?
Yeah, this financial planning, or I wanted to get a secondary income. And the main part was I wanted to help out. So entire my trading capital goes to an organization called Prerna. So I wanted to donate something and I wanted to make it very regular. If I trade properly, I will make an income monthly out of it. And I have decided whatever I earn out of it, I'll give it to that. So that was my main intention. So started with that. So that was a trigger point, an extra push you can tell, just to giving back. And then after that, then I thought, okay, that can be a secondary income out of it also. So that was an extra push. And I had a time exploring mindset also. So wanted to try it out.
Wow, like that's a really noble cause. I think people should actually consider it. So yeah. So coming to the program experience part of it, like what made you decide to join our trading mentorship program?
Yeah, frankly telling, the conversations which I had with you. As I told you before, whatever feedback I got was everyone lost the money. So I was also very scared about it. So that's when I spoke to you a couple of times, even with Ganesh also, and then I saw most of your YouTube videos about other people's success rate. So that was a push really, which I thought, okay, fine, there can be with a controlled environment, maybe profits can also be made. So that is when I decided.
Right. So how did your experience with the program compare to your expectations? So expectations versus reality.
It really met my expectations. Frankly speaking, I never thought I'll be able to invest some money into a trading journey. See, basically, being an engineer, I didn't know anything about that too from a VLSI industry, nothing about the softwaring or anything. I didn't know anything. So it definitely meet all my expectations. And becoming an independent trader, that was really came true, I feel.
What is the capital you're trading with today?
So currently it's 7 lakhs.
Did you ever imagine that you would be trading with 7 lakhs?
No way. Like, I have never thought I'll make that much capital and put it somewhere and invest. No, I never thought about it.
Right. Another curiosity for me is, people within India, when they are trading in the Indian stock market, they complain that they don't have time. But you staying in Finland and having different time zones, how are you really managing it?
Actually, if you ask me, it's a bit of advantage for me because if I can get up early morning, then it will not even disturb my work schedule. So most of the things now, like 3.5 hours difference is there. So I can finish, if I trade till end of the day, 3:30 of Indian market will finish me around 11 o'clock.
Oh.
I can concentrate rest of my day properly working. Just that this early morning sleep, if I can give up for some days, that too, I usually do this Tuesday, Wednesdays. It's just a sleep of two days. So if I can get up around 6 o'clock, I can properly log in and take my trades and end it before 11.
How confident are you about you trading independently now?
Initial that 1 month was really scary. That's when I didn't even increase my capital. It was almost 2 lakhs. I was just trading with 2 lakhs for almost a month. Then gradually the confidence kept on building. And some days the losses were also getting up, like then the emotions, I had to control it. But for now, I'm really pretty confident. I can aramse trade like morning, properly analyze for 15-20 minutes, see the market, go to sensible, see the probability. Everything, once that everything is set up, it is like a routine. Take the number of lots, set your stop loss, go and edit your GTT, then check for P&L. That's all. Like now I'm pretty confident. It's like steps you do with a routine, the trading has become that routine. But initially it was scary, but gradually really the fear decreased.
Right. So if you had to do it this way, then there must be definitely something that helped you, right? So which part of the program did you find the most valuable and why?
So mostly valuable was initial one-on-one support, I would tell. So that without, it was like literally hand-holding, I would tell. But without that, I would have never gained a confidence of increasing my capital or whatever it is. Like even I made mistakes and hit my stop losses and ended up in losses. But still that hand holding, or after that reaching out to you or Ganesh and then correcting my mistakes, what went wrong, discussing that, and next day not repeating that mistakes helped me a lot. So this 14 losing days, also I lost some money, but still that winning days were mostly because of that. I was able to correct my mistakes and tried not to repeat it again. So that's really helped. That.
I think because you were tracking data at this level and you were also kind of tracking your data regularly, you kind of understood what mistakes you were making and you were able to correct yourself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you describe like the support you received during the program and how did it impact your progress?
Yeah, so first day was literally like sat and explained about how exactly to put it in that bars, also what and all to take PECE positions. And before that, I really have to mention, Ganesh was literally took my test of what exactly I know about options, what is option buying, what is option selling, what is CE, what is P, everything, every small details he asked me. Just to ensure I'll not end up losses, like just to make sure that it was literally like a test. For almost twice I took that test, I guess, and then only I was approved to get into options. And then first day it was like literally nothing I actually did. The analysis, everything was taught by step, each and every step, small details also was taught. So from all those helped me a lot, really. And then so a couple of days it was about just asking in WhatsApp or something like that. And then when I was making loss, I called in the middle and asked how exactly can I recover from that. And then like as soon as I called, you joined into a live trading, even that happened. So that live trading, and then after a couple of days when I increased my capital, how to take the leverage, that live trading. So basically for me, importantly, like after a loss, discussing what went wrong and a live trading, these two parts helped a lot to coming out of that losses or increasing my profit.
Right.
So mainly these two things I take it.
Thank you so much for sharing that and actually valuing it.
Thank you.
So, was there any part of the program you think could be improved, and if so, like what do you think would be there?
No, these tests were really good. For not knowing anything, I felt everything I learned step by step. Maybe the initial part of intraday might be, if anyone knows trading before, might not required for them. But basically for me, I never did anything. So nothing was irrelevant, or the steps which I followed was really worked it out, at least for me. So I didn't find anything irrelevant.
Okay. So in terms of results and outcomes, right? What are the most important skills or knowledge you think you gained from the program?
So basically, initially about trading itself, I learned everything. But after that, it was about emotionally controlling your feelings. Seriously, when I made a loss, it always feels like re-enter it with whatever trade, let's recover it. No, that is wrong. Like you have to reanalyze that emotionally, how exactly you can keep yourself stable. That was really important, because that is when we take wrong trades and end up in more losses, I guess. Because once we made that loss, the mindset will be like recover from that loss, however it is. No, so that should not be thing. And as you always tell, set your stop loss for everything to control that losses. It's like more about the program has been like controlled environment, I guess, where the losses will not be crossed at any cost. Like, and it is always like you can always a phone call away. You can always call and ask your help. So ready to help. So those kind of things has really helped.
Right. So in terms of do you think you have become more independent in your trading now?
Yes, definitely.
And do you think this program has helped you in achieving your financial goals or reaching that trading performance that you expected?
Yes, so recently I was just setting myself a goal of 1% a week. So that also I achieved, and recently I posted that picture in the group also. So that time I was trading with a capital of almost 6 lakhs. So in that week I was able to achieve 6,000. So I was really happy. Like if that continues consistently, if I can make 1% out of my capital also, it's for me it's really a good income. So it has really helped. And I have to mention this live question and answers also really helps. Like every week which we have, there also, rather than clearing our own dots, sometimes I attend to listen others' queries also, so that I learn something out of it. So that also helps a lot.
Right. So what would you say about the community that we have? Has it helped you in any way?
Yes, so when everyone posts their P&L, really it inspires me to, okay, sometimes I miss trading because of more work and all. Then when I see others' P&L, it really inspires. Yes, if everyone are doing along with their work, so why not? I can also do it. And sometimes someone will be asking about how they made the losses. So that definitely I will take it as I should never do that feedback. So taking that feedback, I avoid doing that mistakes also. So that really helps.
Right. So, I feel like communities are very, very important, because when you have like-minded people, that is when you kind of, work together and, share things together. It's not just profits, we also share our losses and learnings, because of which others also get to learn, right? So, and we need to learn to accept our losses. Otherwise, it becomes emotional roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in terms of, would you recommend our program to other traders or other software professionals or professionals to, learn trading and do it?
Definitely, I'll recommend. For most of my friends also, just like that, when we were talking, I used to tell that this is how I learned. You can definitely refer it. Seriously, it's really a good program. At least for a beginners like me who doesn't know anything, I can really trade on my own. So it is really recommended to everyone who doesn't know anything from basic, or who knows also if they have undergone some losses. Definitely they will be able to recover from this program, or how to do it in a proper method.
Apart from the profits and losses aside, has trading helped you in becoming a better person, or has it helped you in understanding yourself better in any way?
Yeah, so I have never been through this financial, like in a day, putting money in something. That roller coaster of emotions I have never been before. It's always like 9 to 5 job, earn from that. That can never take out. It was like that for me. So with trading, I was like going through this, what will happen, this highs and lows, just going through and understanding how I will react. That has really helped. Understanding myself, that really helped. And as I told in the initially, the mainly I started trading to donate, so that also feels good. I'm able to donate with whatever I'm earning, so both has been really a good experience for myself.
If there are 100 people, like out of that, you're only the one person who would actually be donating, I think, right now with the profit that you're making. So that's a really, really noble cause. Do you have any other feedback or final thoughts that you would like to share with other people who are in your earlier stage, where people are having that fear of not getting into trading? Trading is a gamble. Arey, sab log have lost money in this. What is your thoughts for them, and what would you tell them?
Seriously, try out this program. Like being an engineer like me, like I didn't had any knowledge. Like with a zero knowledge also you can enter this program. They will teach you from scratch. Seriously, if you guys, if they feel that you are not confident, definitely they're not allow you only to increase your capital if you want to also. So definitely join this program, and this is a very new experience. You can learn trading, and along with that you can make money as a secondary income, or what many of those things can be achieved with this. So definitely I recommend this program to everyone. Whoever are beginners or don't know anything about trading can definitely join to this.